MILWAUKEE Job Site Solutions are a team of trade experts servicing professional industrial end users that are dedicated to problem solving and account management. MILWAUKEE JSS are a complete solutions provider, working in partnership with users to help them get more out of MILWAUKEE products. Our job is to build relationships with our end users, helping to make your job safer, faster, more efficient, and to reduce your environmental impact. But above all, our partnerships are about building trust. Our team provides anytime, anywhere support for users of professional power tools, accessories, hand tools, PPE, and job site storage with a core trade focus. The JSS team are about understanding your site and your needs. We work to establish long-term partnerships, bringing you the best possible services and an ever-expanding range of solutions that are tested and proven in the toughest conditions. We offer an ever-expanding range of products, which you can test in real application environments, giving you confidence that your investment exceeds your expectations. Job Site Solutions are here to bring true value to our end users and ensure we give you the competitive advantage. Why not see what we can do for you?